Hi, I hope that you will be fine. Today's video is very important for you. This video is most important for that people that are the young people. Today's I have realized that a lot more disease in the world. But in the young generation, mostly disease regarding to sexual disorders, most people realize that I am not fit. But according to me, that people are fit. Because misconceptions and lack of knowledge, people realize that I am not fit and taking more and more medicines. And also I have seen many of times in my life that people are fit but they are taking medicines. Before watching the video, if you are new on my channel, subscribe to my channel and press bell icon. Mostly quick, also prescribed such medicines that boost up the power of sexual disease. Mostly people are having ejaculation disease, premature ejaculation, impotency and other disease, but are not the real form of disease. But I can say that there are the symptoms in our country and also in Indo-Pak. Mostly people, we have other features in our lives, mostly that we have marriage system and others that nowadays in young generation I have realized that they have fall night issues. But they don't know what is the reason behind this, that what is the fall night. Mostly people are taking more knowledge about this, that it is the weakness process of the life. So that is not a weakness. It is the natural process that if you have health, that means in the proper way, approximately after 3 days, 4 days, and mostly people having 7 days, having fall night. That means that people don't need more medicine to solve these issues. Because in the first I have told you that there is the not issue. But people, due to the lack of knowledge, are taking medicines. Having a lack of knowledge, we realize that mostly in young generation, such as that person that have approximately 60 to 20 years old, and also in 26 years, and also that are unmarried. In the real form that I have told you that it is a natural process. After 3 days, 4 days, 7 days, and also in during 15 days, you have a fall night at night time. It will be the natural process. That is the process. That means your body is working in a proper way. But if you realize that it will be bad for me and you have to take more medicine, that means you are in the wrong form. In this situation, when you have fall night after 3 days, 7 days and also 1 week, that means you don't need to take more medicine for solution this problem that you are having. I hope that this video will be very helpful for those people, mostly young generation, that are having these problems and issues in their lives. If you have any questions about this video, you can ask me. And finally, thanks for watching.